What a great performance from Kim Martin. And she's been ecstatic. She can't believe it. She took one look over her shoulder. The tears of joy started to flow. Rita Martin's home. That is unbelievable, Rita Martin. That is unbelievable. All right, so the points went down for the Give It Up folks. Here she is, your 2012 champion from New Zealand, Rita Martin. She's jumping for joy.
Yeah, I mean, I probably kept the distance to the front on the bike almost the same. I think I lost 1 more minute or something, but yeah, because I had a horrible swim actually. But then I just tried to stay, you know, to keep patient and then just give everything on the run, and it did work out, which is awesome, which is great. And so I have to thank a lot to my coach because that he prepared me perfectly. Oh, definitely, yeah. Like I said, most of the time I had a bit of a drama happening before, and I had always injuries, and my training was going really well before this race, and I finally sorted my head out as well, my mental stuff, and so I mean I was feeling confident, but I just had no idea because I've never felt good at the end of the run, but this time I just could keep pushing, so which was awesome. Oh, I probably can't describe that right now. I have to think about that for a little while, but it was awesome. It was great. Thank you.